Here for the truck. It's a Predator generator, 2000 watt inverter. See how it works. I want to run a standing AC unit. Cool my tractor rather than running it. I just opened it. I'm at a truck stop of all places. You can see you got a manual. We got our 12-volt charging cables. They work really good with four big truck batteries. We got a screwdriver. This is going to go here. That's your spark plug puller. We got a 10 and 8 mil wrench. All right, at least they give you a bag. Picture of my arm there, right? All right. So we got foam. Got a bunch of this. It's not terribly heavy. Nothing else left in the box. I want to put it right here. And then, of course, you need securement. So I bought a heavy-duty bike lock. Let's see how that works. And what I want it to run is a stand-up AC unit. I'll show that in a bit.